up, everybody? Hope all y'all are doing undeniably fan-freaking-tastic out there. I know I am, even though I probably shouldn't be. Because live, this Saturday, February the 21st, in the main event of MLW, in the Coliseum in St. Petersburg, Florida, your boy, the Grand Poobah Booyah, James Self-Standard, will be going one-on-one against the Punisher, Frank Castle. Ugh. I'm gonna die. I'm probably gonna die. But you know what, speaking of dying, up to this point, a lot of people thought that Frank Castle was a dead man. But no, that's impossible. Because he hasn't shared the ring with me yet. Now look, I know Frank, he probably has me outgunned. But look, Frank, the only guns you gotta worry about are these babies right here. Don't worry about your rifles, don't worry about your pistols, don't worry about your Glocks. Just worry about that Booyah blaster that's coming your way. Now look, Frank, I get it. You may be stronger than me, you may be faster than me, but you're not crazier than me. I am very weird up in this noggin of mine. You cannot break me mentally because I'm already weird enough. And after I get done beating you, Frank, I bet your ego's gonna feel really micro. Because this boy from Kakalaki is gonna be giving you a good old smackalaki, while all my self-standing soldiers in attendance join me as I continue to be outrageously optimistic year-round. Booyah! I'm out.